We're here in the greenhouse today to look at the active and passive solar futures of our grow dome. Today it's May 2020 and the inside temperature of the greenhouse is over 90 degrees. It looks like 94 degrees. And so the vents of the greenhouse are open. This is considered a passive solar future. What happens with these automatic vent openers is there's beeswax inside of the black section, which melts as it warms up and allows this vent to open, bringing in cooler air from below and letting the hot air rise out of these two open vents. Same system, beeswax melting as it gets warmer and letting the vent open, which lets the hot air rise and escape, and the cool air come in. The other thing that happens is the thermostat of the greenhouse, which is right here, is set to 80 degrees. This thermostat is connected through these electrical cables up and onto the top of our greenhouse roof where there's a small solar panel. The solar panel provides energy for the thermostat and this cooling fan. And the cooling fan does the same thing, brings cool air and ventilation into the greenhouse. The other future of the greenhouse that's connected to a solar panel, which would be considered active solar energy. See how there's two solar panels on the roof of this greenhouse? Well, one is connected over here onto a switch and controls this small pond fountain. This small spout helps water move throughout our pond, adding oxygen, maybe you'll notice the bubbles, into the pond to help the fish and plants have a healthy ecosystem. And guess what? This little solar powered pump runs anytime the sun is shining up on that panel. Isn't that cool? Now the third thing that's happening in here is this big pump. Notice how much oxygen this pump puts into the water. Now this is a much bigger system. It filters the water as well, so there's a bunch of filters inside this black box, and it's also connected to a solar panel that's actually on top of the roof of the greenhouse. See those two large panels on top of the greenhouse, the shed roof? Those help provide and store power and a battery inside the shed. And with some wires running under this path, help power that pond filter.